What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Plays video. Today, we are going to be checking out my dealership. This place is nice. Totally didn't just steal that from the track by my friend. So, now, all that I wanted to show you is my dealership. Yep. I've been playing this new game called Car Dealership Tycoon, and it's pretty cool, not gonna lie. We got some of the Porsches, Ferraris, McLarens, Lambos. We got the whole supercar set up down here. But up here, we're going to the future with the Kong games up here. As you can see, pretty nice cars. So now, I just let's spawn some of the cars, and yeah, I'll show you guys some of the stuff that you can do in this game, some tips, tricks, and stuff. So here, as you can see, I already have spawned my car, and yeah, it's already just pretty nice. I'll show you this. Subscribe button to be entered into any giveaway that I have on this channel. So we're also gonna have I don't even know what I was gonna say. I forgot what I was gonna say. So in this game, it's kind of like vehicle tycoon. If you're a vehicle tycoon player like me, you know that game. Drive to get money, so this game's kind of like that, kind of has the same mechanics as that. Just wanted to let you know about it, and well, I don't even know what I really want to do in this video, so I guess that we could do a little bit of work in here and see if anything interesting pops up. I don't even know, bro. So let's get to work. Alright, I'm back, guys. It's just been a long day of work. So I guess that could be the end of the video for today. Oh, Hello? Who are you? Is this your dealership? Also, is this your car out here? Yes, and yes, why? Well, I was just coming to, maybe buy some cars around here. Alright. Right this way. So as you can see right here, we have the Porsche Tycoon like that. I need something more expensive. Okay. So yes, you already found our Ferrari T8. You want this? Well, as you can see, this place is called, what's it called? Sci-fi something? Yes. So I was supposing, do you have any sci-fi stuff? Sci-fi stuff. Of course we do. Why would I name it slime? Alright. Okay, then bring me to it. Okay, right this way. Here's the staircase. Come on. He has no idea what I'm planning. What are you planning? What? I just heard something. Oh my god, you can explore a little bit around here. You can just explore a little bit. Yo, what's this man doing? Yo, what's he doing? He's just looking. What? No, he did. Well, no. Why are you snapping pictures of these cars here? No reason, mister. Just needing nothing. It's nothing. It's really nothing. Who the heck was that guy? Please don't ask, because I don't know. Well, let me just look around a little bit more. Okay. What's he doing now? Wait, why does he have a Sharpie? Hey, what are you doing? These are just displays, man. This isn't your car. You can't write your name on it. Well, I was thinking about buying this one. Okay, then follow me outside. You didn't have to write on it. Jeez. What? He's still writing on it. I'll have to get a washer out. Get down here, bro. Like, literally. Okay, stop rushing me. God. Alright. Because he doesn't know that. I know what he's doing. He's a boy and he's cold. Alright, there. Is this what you're looking for? Yes. That'll be $8 million. Okay, I'm just getting my change out. Yo, what are you doing? Whoa! Whoa, he's escaping in my car. Whoa. Good man. Oh. He just took my car. Whoa. Is this guy serious, bro? Oh my god. Like, if I spawn another one, he'll lose it, though. Well, I don't know what to do now, but... this isn't good, bro. This isn't good. Also, I have to take this freaking minivan, bro. It's so annoying. Also, I have to take this. It's so freaking slow, bro. Look how freaking slow it is, bro. Yo, I'm on the floor. You think you can just escape like this? You think you can? You think you can just escape like this? I didn't expect you to come here. But I guess you did. Yo, I'm giving you 5 seconds to give me my car back, bro. Or else what? Shrimp. Or else this. Oh! Please help, Bessie. Please. No! We defeated him, guys.